A cordless electric lawnmower is much like a gas-powered lawnmower that utilizes horizontal blades to cut the grass. But unlike gas-powered mowers, electric mowers are much quieter and less expensive to use. They also require less maintenance than a gas mower. Top 7 Best Cordless Electric Lawnmower. Number 7. Snapper XD 82 volt max. About 1120 customer provide ratings 4.2 out of 5. The Snapper XD 19 inches cordless push walk mower features a steel 3-in-1 mowing deck providing mulch, side discharge or bagging options. A long life 1000 or 1200 watt high efficiency brushless motor provides power and reliability that lets you mow your yard for years to come. The load sensing technology allows to meet the demands of the cutting blades, and single lever height allows to choose 7 different cutting heights. At number 6, Sanjo 24 volt X2 16LM. About 2100 customer provide ratings 4.5 out of 5. Sanjo includes two 24 volt 4 ampere hour lithium ion batteries for no fade power with performance and zero carbon emissions for cleaning yard. Its 800 watt brushless motor will provide maximum motor performance and extended motor life to keep your mower running stronger and longer. The durable steel blade mows a path 16 inches wide in a single pass for an even cut every time. Number 5. Makita XML 03 CM1 36 volt. About 800 customer provide ratings 4.5 out of 5. The Makita cordless lawnmower is a welcome solution for efficient grass cutting with zero emissions, lower noise and reduced maintenance. The mower offers ease of use features including quick height adjustments, a 16-gallon capacity grass collector, and folding handles for compact storage. It is powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries for maximum power and runtime. At number 4, Orks WG779 40 volt. About 3620 customer provide ratings 4.3 out of 5. Introducing Orks WG779 40 volt power share 14 inches cordless lawnmower. It has easy start switch to start the mower. A single lever lets you set the height you want to cut your lawn. Its IntelliCut technology provides a torque on demand for tougher conditions. The onboard battery charger indicator lets you know how much battery power you have left. It features 2-in-1 bagging and 2-in-1 mulching that lets you bag it up or mulch your grass back into the ground. It has collapsible handle to carry easily. Orks WG779 40 volt power share 14 inches cordless lawn mower. At number 3, Ego Power Plus LM2142 SP 21 inches, about 1310 customer provide ratings 4.6 out of 5. The Ego Power Plus 21 inches self-propelled mower with peak power delivers outstanding power and extended runtime. Patented 56-volt RC lithium battery technology offers intelligent power management and innovative design to prevent overheating. With up to 80 minutes of cut time, this mower tackles even the toughest of mowing applications on a single use for all grass types. At number 2, Greenworks 40-volt 16 inches, about 8,630 customer provide ratings 4.4 out of 5. This eco-friendly best electric lawn mower provides the power you need with up to 45 minutes of runtime on a fully charged battery. It has a lighter weight than traditional gas lawn mowers, and the 16 inches cutting deck allows for easy operation through small to medium yards efficiently. This best cordless lawn mower is virtually maintenance-free with no gas, no oil, no emissions, and start up instantly with an easy push-button start. Sorry for interrupt. To buy, please follow our affiliate link in the description below. If you got even a little benefit from this video, then give a like and subscribe for more reviews. Suggest or criticize, write something in the comment. This will help us to improve our work. At number 1, we have another Greenworks Pro 80-volt 21 inches, about 4,790 customer provide ratings 4.6 out of 5. This best cordless electric lawn mower features 21 inches cutting deck, 3-in-1 mulch, side discharge and rear bag. It has innovative smart cut technology that automatically increases the speed of the blade when more power is needed for the best cut possible. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers maximum power and a rapid charger for quick charge included. It can mow up to 10,000 square feet on a single charge. It has quiet operation and instant push-button start. You can enjoy hassle-free operation with no cord, no gas, no maintenance by Greenworks Pro Cordless Electric Lawn Mower. Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Top 7 Best Cordless Electric Lawn Mower.